Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth headphones to your Xbox Series S. It's important to know that the Xbox Series S does not have built-in Bluetooth audio support. This means you cannot directly pair standard Bluetooth headphones. However, there are simple workarounds, and I will guide you through two effective methods to enjoy wireless game audio. One popular method involves using a USB Bluetooth audio adapter. Simply plug this small device into an open USB port on your Xbox Series S. Next, put your Bluetooth headphones into their pairing mode. Then, follow the adapter's instructions, which typically involve pressing a button on the adapter to initiate pairing. Within a few moments, your headphones should connect, providing you with wireless game audio. Another excellent option is to use an official Xbox wireless headset. These headsets are designed to connect directly to your Xbox Series S using its built-in Xbox wireless radio, similar to how your controller connects. This means no extra adapters are needed, offering a truly seamless and integrated experience. They provide high-quality, low-latency audio, ensuring you hear every detail of your game without delay. When using an adapter, prioritize one that supports low-latency audio to avoid noticeable delays in sound. Also, remember to regularly check for firmware updates for both your Bluetooth adapter and your headphones, as these can improve performance and compatibility. Finally, explore your Xbox's audio settings to fine-tune the sound to your preference, ensuring the best possible gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.